Workshops were held with those farmers for whom a Level 1 whole of farm energy use benchmarking assessment was completed through the project. At the workshops, growers were able to view their results on an individual laptop computer using a password-protected login to the online benchmarking tool. They were provided with the password and instructions for accessing the tool and assistance from project staff to interpret their results at small group workshops with a maximum of 6 people per workshop. Other project resources and tools were also demonstrated in the workshop, and growers were given a take-home pack including fact sheets produced by the project to date. The workshop participants reported that they gained a great benefit from the workshops and were left with a better understanding of tariff selection and their farm's irrigation electricity consumption compared to others in the area.
Here, project staff demonstrate to the group how the online benchmarking tool is accessed from the project website and how to interpret the results, including the output graphs. An Inkerman Cane Growers Organisation farm is used as a demonstration farm so that growers can view the data from a real farm during the demonstration. Growers are then given the login details for each of their own farms, and with the assistance of the project staff, use laptop computers to view their results privately. Once logged into the online benchmarking tool, growers are able to view their electricity consumption and costs for irrigation on their farm for the past 3 years and compare themselves to an amalgamated data set of all the other farms entered into the system. This enables them to benchmark their farm's performance against others in the Burdekin region for a range of parameters, including cost of irrigation per hectare, cost per tonne of cane harvested, and cost per tonne of sugar produced. After growers have viewed their farm's results and have discussed them with project staff, the workshop moves on to a session about understanding irrigation tariffs. In this session, project staff demonstrate the use of the tariff calculator developed by the project and run a series of scenarios to demonstrate the cost of the different irrigation tariffs and the implications for irrigation scheduling. The tariff calculator displays the cost per day for each available irrigation tariff and recommends the cheapest tariff based on the usage data, days billed, and pump size entered into the yellow cells. Using data from their own power bills, growers are then assisted to use the tariff calculator on their laptop computers to check whether they are on the cheapest available tariff based on their current power consumption. Feedback from growers at the conclusion of these workshops has been overwhelmingly positive.
Well, I found it very interesting. I didn't realise just how much a different tariff made in the cost of everything and the different times that you have to pump and everything for the different tariffs. I was pretty naive about it all, actually.
And this will help because you can do it at home anytime you want.
Yeah.
And if you're not sure where you're up to as the season changes, go back in and see what's the best suit you for what you're doing.
Yeah, I found it very interesting. It was well presented, and I gained a lot of knowledge today. It's good.